All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to align this to the center of the page. And yeah, it's just one of those things that if you don't know where to click and whatnot, it's hard. So, you would typically grab these things, and I'm going to hit Align. I can do it up there, or I can do it here. You grab your line palette here. So I'm going to use this guy over here. So that was set on Align to selection. That just grabbed the two of them and uh, stuck them in the center of both of them, like averaged it. But if you want to get it to the center of the page, that's a whole nother story, kind of. It's really easy, but um, you want to go to here, align to Artboard. So it was here currently, but now when we have one, it's on align to Artboard, um, and it's also up here, align to Artboard. And here, give it a shot. Boom, boom, centered. And so that's pretty rad. And that also now that we're on Artboard, you can go left or right. Yeah, so uh, pretty cool, huh? And also, it would work if you just want both of these guys, like say over here, and you just want both of them to be in the center, like this. There you go. Now it didn't center them this way because that's actually going to look funny, but that's what that does. But it's centering them there. And now key object, this is a fun one. When you do that, it's going to you get both of these. So now I've got both of them here, and then you hit key object. You can just pick, so you can just you don't have to hold shift or anything, but like that. So now it's going to align it to that. I don't have anything here, so let's mess them up a little bit, and then grab both of them. I'm going to just click simply on one of them, and that activates that. And then I'm going to go to left. So see how this one didn't move. This one did. And then you go back to center, and now we're going to on the page, the artboard. So that's how you do it. Now let's end the video with this guy right in the center. Here we go. Yeah, we're good. So that's how you align the center and align the key object and just to the selection itself. Hopefully that helped. Let me know in the comments below.